Isang roadmap ang binubuo ng Department of Agriculture upang isulong ang pagninegosyo ng livestock sa bansa. Ito ang inihayag ni Pangulong Aquino sa kanyang pagdalo sa pagbubukas ng Livestock Philippines 2013. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna, live mula sa Malacanang. Elena, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon, Kirby. Isang roadmap nga ang inihayag ni Pangulong Aquino na inaayos ng pamahalaan katuwang ang World Bank para sa mga livestock farmers. Sinabi ito ni Pangulong Aquino kaninang umaga sa dinaluhan niyang exhibit sa SMX Convention Center sa Pasay City. Tiyak ni Pangulong Aquino ang patuloy na pagbibigay prioridad sa sektor ng agrikultura. Sa kanyang pagdalo sa pagbubukas ng Livestock Philippines 2013, inilahad ng Pangulo ang mga ginagawa ng gobyerno para sa mga magsasaka.
Government is also constructing the necessary infrastructure to facilitate the growth of agriculture in the country. Farm-to-market roads, or FMRs, constructed and rehabilitated from 2011 to June 2013 have linked 1,147 barangays to main road networks and markets, benefiting 300,000 of our farmers. And for the future, our Department of Public Works and Highways will be partnering with the Department of Agriculture to construct even more farm-to-market roads to benefit even more barangays. Even better news, these roads will be constructed with the same efficiency that the DPWH has displayed in its other projects, producing better quality roads at a lower cost, mostly ahead of time. This on top of the ports, airports, and other transport hubs we are constructing and upgrading to improve transport and travel across the archipelago. Now we also have a total of 131 operational accredited livestock auction markets across the country. These serve as centralized trading facilities for animals, particularly cattle and carabaos. These LOMs ensure the health of livestock by requiring veterinary health certificates for all livestock entering the facility, all of which still undergo inspections by on-site veterinarians as an added measure.
Ayon rin sa Pangulo, isang roadmap ang binubuo ng Department of Agriculture kasama ang isang international organization para higit na maisulong ang pagninegosyo ng livestock sa bansa.
That's why to develop the market for animal feeds in the country and to ensure the availability and constancy of supply, the Department of Agriculture is drafting the Livestock, Poultry, and Feed Crops Industry Roadmap, which will be completed, I'm told, by the end of the month. Through this roadmap, initiatives such as feed, farming, milling, and livestock and poultry integration partnerships will benefit more than 850,000 small corn farmers and backyard livestock, and poultry raisers in the first 3 years of it alone.
Tema ng Livestock Expo ang Food Security Through Feed Safety. Sinabi ni Pangulong Aquino na sinusuguro ng gobyerno na kasabay ng pagpapadami ng produksyon ng pagkain, ang pagtiyak din na ligtas at masustansya ang makukuha ng mga Pilipino.
Disease control and health mechanisms are in place to ensure that the pork or chicken products that find their way to the dinner tables of our countrymen are safe for consumption. Plans to develop the feeds industry and make the most of materials grown in the Philippines redound to a more stable livelihood for corn farmers and access to cheaper feeds for backyard livestock and poultry raisers.
3 araw ang exhibit sa SMX Convention Center at matatapos sa Biyernes. Matapos dumalo sa exhibit na ito, Kirby, ay balik palasyo na si Pangulong Aquino para sa 2 meeting. Ongoing ngayon ang meeting ng Pangulo kasama si Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. 2:30 naman ng hapon ay magkakaroon ng meeting ang Pangulo kasama muli si E.S. Ochoa, pati na rin ang Cabinet Secretary at mga kinatawan ng Department of Justice, Department of Agrarian Reform, ang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, ang Office of the Presidential Spokesperson at ang PPO. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang. Sa tulong ng RTBM, ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Elena Luna.